So folks, these are my top 3 features about the FlexBreeze fan by the Shark company. Let's go. So my first feature is that here the plug is connected to this super long cable, which is really, really nice. And that plugs into the base just down here. But not only does it power the fan, but it also charges the 24-hour rechargeable battery that comes with this, meaning you can unplug it and take it on the go. To the garden, to a friend's house, to the beach, wherever you want to go. Right, so that's a really nice feature as well. Second feature, on the back is a little remote control, and not only does it have all the kind of the key features that you need to control it, fan speed, oscillation, a timer, etc., but you can also take it off, okay? And it's magnetized for easy storage, which I think is a really cool little feature as well. So I really like that. If you don't want to use the remote control, you do have some buttons on the top as well if you lose the control or the battery runs out. But my third favorite feature, and by the way, as a bonus point, it looks awesome, right? Looks really cool. But as my third feature, let's turn it on. It is super powerful, but also really quiet as well. And you can see that right now. So that's the first of 5 speed settings. And if I just turn it up, you can see the LEDs at the top. So we're now on 5 white dots for max power. Okay, we can turn the oscillation on as well. That is so powerful, but also really subtle for the power as well. So that's another awesome feature. Anyway, folks, these are my 3 favorite features, and I hope you like it as much as I do.